Say it.
Jeff, just give her 100%. Please.
So you heard what Dan said. This is Lab 3, Anatomy of the Heart and Functions.
It's really close on your face.
I'm going to explain it with the heart that I just made on the floor. So the anatomy of the heart, I need you to go point things.
I'm not pointing. I'm not doing it.
As you can see, this is the makeshift heart that I have made. These two are the ventricles, left ventricle being the biggest and toughest item down there. There's the right ventricle, which is also tough because it's a ventricle. The two pillows are the atriums because they're soft and smaller than the rest of them. The khaki pants you see is the pulmonary artery going out to the lungs. And the orange sarong is the aorta branching into the descending and ascending branches. The 4 shoes on there, here's the tricuspid valve, the mitral valve, the pulmonary valve, and the aortic valve. And that's it for the anatomy of the heart. How blood is pumped through the body. You're going to get deoxygenated blood in through the superior vena cava and come into the right atrium. Go down into the right ventricle. And then you're going to go up into the pulmonary arteries and into the lungs. So you're going to get oxygenated blood that's going to go through the right atrium down into the right ventricle. Left atrium down to the left ventricle. And then out into the body via the arteries. And then the arteries are going to carry the blood all throughout the body. And once it reaches the peripheries, the capillaries are going to take all the oxygen and then they're going to send it back up through the veins with the help of the skeletal muscles. And it's going to go right back into the right atrium again, and that's the circulation of blood. Functions of the heart include generation of blood pressure via heart contractions, which I've demonstrated with my heart muscle. So when the heart muscle contracts, blood pressure is created. And if the heart muscle contracts more, you're going to have a higher blood pressure. Another function of the heart is routing blood. Basically, this is just blood going to the places it's supposed to. So it's got a couple different arteries and sticking off of it because you need to oxygenate it before you pump it through the rest of the body. These are separate because the heart needs oxygen as well. It can't just work without oxygen. The third function of the heart is regulation of blood supply during exercise. Now, please. You gotta, if my heart muscles are contracting normally and I'm the blood pumping throughout the body, I'm going at a steady rate. But if I'm exercising, I'm going to need more blood pressure and a higher blood volume throughout my body. And so my heart muscles are going to contract more, and the blood's going to be going all over the place faster. And that's basically it. Wait, I'm going to need you to stop it. So, Jeff, that's Lab 3, Heart Anatomy and Functions. I hope you enjoyed my diagram and my jumping. That's all.